This is Pakistan Affair MCQ series episode 10. This series is specially designed for the students of CSS because they often feel difficulty in the preparation of MCQs, and therefore I hope so this series is going to help you a lot for the preparation of MCQs and other students who are appearing in PMS, and also for the preparation of a job recruitment test, either through FPSC or NTS or any other platform. This series is helpful for all of you guys. So and in the end I have got some questions, so make sure you solve those questions as well, and you can compare your answers. I will give the answers in the comment section, so you can just go and check there whatever you have answered. Okay, now let's start. In this video we will cover 50 MCQs about the Hindi-Urdu controversy. First MCQ is, how old is Urdu language? Options are 200 years, 400 years, 700 years, 1000 years. So the correct option here is 400 years. Urdu language is 400 years old. Urdu is mixture of, options are English and Persian, Persian and Hindi, Sanskrit and Persian, and Arabic, Persian, Turkish and Hindi. So fourth is the right option here, which is Urdu is a mixture of Arabic, Persian, Turkish and Hindi. Third MCQ is, Lashkari was another name of language. Options are Arabic, Urdu, English, Sanskrit. So the correct answer is Urdu. Lashkari was another name of Urdu language. Who rendered huge dress services for development and protection of Urdu language? Options are Liaquat Ali Khan, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar, Sulaiman Nadwi. So the correct answer is Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan was a person who rendered huge services for the development and protection of Urdu language. Fifth MCQ is, from 1872 to 1888, how many Urdu journals and periodicals were published from Lucknow? Options are 60, 62, 64, 66. So the correct answer is 64. Banaras Institute 1861 was the first step taken against the language. Options are Hindi, Urdu, Punjabi, English. So the correct answer is Urdu. Banaras Institute 1861 was the first step taken against the Urdu language. When Urdu was introduced as an official language by British government? Options are 1828, 1830, 1832, 1834. So the correct answer is 1832. Urdu was introduced as an official language by British government in 1832. Hindi-Urdu controversy began in, options are 1860, 1867, 1870, 1875. So the correct answer is 1867. Hindi-Urdu controversy began in 1867. Hindu leaders organized an agitation against the use of Urdu as official language and demanded Hindi written in Devanagari script would be introduced as. Options are international language, official language, national language, unofficial language. So the correct option here is national language. Who decided to adopt measures for the protection of Urdu? Options are Syed Sulaiman Nadwi, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, Allama Iqbal, Haji Shariatullah. So the correct answer is Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. When Sir Syed established Central Association? Options are, where Sir Syed established Central Association? Options are Muradabad, Agra, Allahabad, Aligarh. So the correct answer is Allahabad. Which platform was used by Sir Syed Ahmad Khan for the protection of Urdu? Options are Muslim League, Scientific Society, All India Congress, all of them. So the correct answer is Scientific Society. George Campbell ordered Urdu should end from syllabus books. Options are 1874, 1873, 1872, 1871. So the correct answer is 1871. In 1871, George Campbell ordered Urdu should end from syllabus books. Who was George Campbell? Options are Governor of UP, Governor of Bengal, Governor of Delhi, Governor of Punjab. So the correct answer is Governor of Bengal. Anthony MacDonald issued orders that Hindi should be used as official language. Options are in 1900, in 1905, in 1910, in 1915. So the correct answer here is in 1900. In 1900, Anthony MacDonald issued orders that Hindi should be used as official language. Who was Anthony MacDonald? Options are Punjab Governor, UP Governor, Bengal Governor, Karachi Governor. So the correct answer here is UP Governor. Anthony MacDonald was a UP Governor. Who established Urdu Defense Society? Options are Nawab Waqar Mulk, Nawab Mohsin Mulk, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, Sulaiman Nadwi. So the correct option here is Nawab Mohsin Mulk, who established the Nawab Mohsin Mulk established the Urdu Defense Society. Urdu Defense Society protested against whose biased decision that Hindi should be used as official language. Options are Robert MacDonald, Anthony MacDonald, Michael MacDonald, Jennifer MacDonald. So the correct option here is Anthony MacDonald. Students of which college protested against MacDonald for ending Hindi as official language? Options are Lahore College, Aligarh College, Islamia College, Peshawar. So the correct answer here is Aligarh College. Who declared in 1917 that Hindi was the only language to become the national language of India? Options are Motilal Nehru, M.K. Gandhi, Patel, Sonia Gandhi. So the correct answer here is M.K. Gandhi. Who set up Anjuman-e-Taraqi-e-Urdu? Options are Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar, Maulana Muhammad Ali Shaukat, Maulvi Abdul Haq. So the correct answer here is Maulvi Abdul Haq. Maulvi Abdul Haq set up the Anjuman-e-Taraqi-e-Urdu. Where Maulvi Abdul Haq set up Anjuman-e-Taraqi-e-Urdu? Options are Lucknow, Aligarh, Delhi, Lahore. So the correct answer here is Aligarh. Anjuman-e-Taraqi-e-Urdu was set up in options are 1906, 1905, 1904, 1903. So the correct answer here is 1903. In 1903, Anjuman-e-Taraqi-e-Urdu was set up. Farang-e Asfiya, an authentic dictionary, contains 54,014 words, out of which how many are Hindi words? Options are 22,195, 22,196, 22,197 and 22,198. So the correct answer here is 22,198. When Banaras Institute was established? Options are 1860, 1861, 1862, 1863. So the correct answer here is 1861. When Sir Syed demanded from the government that Darul Tarjuma should be established so that the authentic work could be translated into Urdu for the benefit of students. Options are 1855, 1857, 1859, 1861. So the correct answer here is 1857. In 1857, Sir Syed demanded from the government that Darul Tarjuma should be established. Why Governor barred the Nawab from using the title of Mohsin al-Mulk in October 1900? Options are for his stern support to Hindi, for his stern support to Arabic, for his stern support to Persian, for his stern support to Urdu. So correct answer here is for his stern support to Urdu. When Raj Ram Mohan founded a new religious society known as Brahma Sabha. Options are 1828, 1831, 1835, 1836. So the correct answer here is 1828. In 1828, Raj Ram Mohan founded a new religious society known as Brahma Sabha. 1828 is the right answer. Brahma Sabha was later known as, options are Prathana Samaj, Brahma Samaj, Dev Samaj, Arya Samaj. So the correct answer here is Brahma Samaj. The object of Brahma Samaj was to, options are purify Hinduism, preach theism, preach worship of one God, all of the above. So the correct answer here is all of the above. Which Hindu movement first of all criticized Sati tradition? Options are Dev Samaj, Arya Samaj, Brahma Samaj, Pratna Samaj. So the correct answer here is Brahma Samaj. Brahma Samaj was the first Hindu movement to criticize the Sati tradition. When Keshab Chandra joined Brahma Samaj? Options are 1857, 1858, 1859, 1860. So the correct answer here is 1857. In 1857, Keshab Chandra joined the Brahma Samaj. There were 54 branches of which Hindu movement before 1865? Options are Pratna Samaj, Brahma Samaj, Brahmans Mandali, or Ramakrishna Mission. So the correct option here is Brahma Samaj. Which Hindu religious movement changed outlook of Hindu towards Western ideas? Options are Dev Samaj, Arya Samaj, Brahma Samaj, Ramakrishna Mission. So the correct answer here is Brahma Samaj. So the Brahma Samaj was the Hindu religious movement which changed the outlook of Hindu towards Western ideas. Lokhatwari adopted which orthodoxy? Options are Sanskrit, Hindu, Arabic, Christian. So the correct answer here is Hindu. When Pratna Samaj was established? Options are 1847, 1848, 1849, 1850. So the correct answer here is 1849. Pratna Samaj was established in 1849. Who was the founder of Indian Association? Options are B.G. Tilak, Babu Surendranath Banerjee, Krishan Gopal, none of above. So the correct answer here is Babu Surendranath Banerjee. So the Babu Surendranath Banerjee was the founder of Indian Association. Who was the founder of Arya Samaj? Options are Raj Rai, Keshab Chandra, Swami Dayanand, Swami Vivekanand. So the correct answer here is Swami Dayanand. Swami Dayanand was the founder of Arya Samaj. Swami Dayanand was a great scholar of, options are Urdu, English, Sanskrit, Arabic. So the correct answer here is Sanskrit. Swami Dayanand was a great scholar of Sanskrit. To whom Arya Samaj targeted mainly? Options are Sikh, Islam, Christianity, B and C. So the correct answer here is B and C, which include Islam and Christianity. So D is the right option here. Arya Samaj targeted mainly Islam and Christianity, so B and C is the right option. Who was founder of Shuddhi movements? Options are Krishna Gopal, Dr. Radhakrishna, Dayanand Saraswati, and B.G. Tilak. So the correct answer here is Dayanand Saraswati. Dayanand Saraswati was the founder of Shuddhi movements. When Albuquerque Portuguese Viceroy prohibited sati in India? Options are 1508, 1509, 1510, 1511. So the correct answer here is 1510. In 1510, Albuquerque Portuguese Viceroy prohibited sati in India. When Deccan Education Society was set up? Options are 1883, 1884, 1885, 1886. So the correct answer here is 1884. In 1884, Deccan Education Society was set up. Who was Gopal Krishna Gokhale? Options are scholar, reformist, worker of Deccan Education Society, economist. So the correct answer here is worker of Deccan Education Society. Gopal Krishna Gokhale was a worker of Deccan Education Society. When Cow Protection Society was formed? Options are 1880, 1881, 1882, 1883. So the correct answer here is 1880. Cow Protection Society was formed in 1880. When Indian Association was formed? Where Indian Association was formed? Options are Muradabad, Kolkata, Delhi, Lahore. So the correct answer here is Kolkata. Indian Association was formed in Kolkata. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee's literacy movement began in, options are Punjab, Bengal, Assam, Bihar. So the correct answer here is Bengal. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee's literacy movement began in Bengal. When a law was passed for remarriage of Hindu widows? Options are 1854, 1855, 1856, 1857. So the correct answer here is 1856. In 1856, law was passed for the remarriage of Hindu widows. Which act gave the right of vote to women in subcontinent? Options are Indian Council Act 1892, Legislative Council Act 1861, and the Government of India Act 1950, the Government of India Act 1935. So the correct answer here is Government of India Act 1935, which gave the right of vote to the women in subcontinent. So Government of India Act 1935 is the correct answer. Under which act many seats were reserved for women in India? Options are Government of India Act 1919, Government of India Act 1935, Indian Council Act 1892, Legislative Council Act 1861. So the correct answer here is Government of India Act 1935. Okay. So these are 8 questions from all these MCQs. So you must solve this question to test yourself, and just share your marks in the comment section, so I can know that these series are proving helpful for you. So thank you so much.